Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you work light. This is 4 feet power cord. This light is heavy duty. It has 2 heavy duty hook. Let me go ahead and take it out here. You can use this light in a construction site, emergency rescue, outdoor events, or during workshops. The light source is corded electric. The color temperature is 5000 K daylight white. Its lifespan is 50,000 hours, almost more than 5 years. And this is IP65. You can use it when it's raining. Here we have the mounting hook. Let's see. Right there. We can hook it right there, right there, right there. You have 3 options. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and see how it's working. OMG. Alrighty, it is very bright. Right now my camera is not showing all the brightness, but it is very bright. Here is the turn it on and off button. Now it's off, now it's on. Let me turn it off. Let's put the hook at the top in the middle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up in my garage. If you just wanna carry, you can just use this one. These areas, you're just gonna grab it like that. And you can just take it wherever you want. Now it's good to go. Here is the bottom part. Since we're using one plug, don't worry about that. We have additional plug over here. Right there. You see? I will go ahead and put the light right here. And I'm gonna turn off the garage light and turn on the LED light. Let's see. There we go. Wow, check this out. Let me turn it off. And on. That's the light. Let's see, it is very weak compared to this one. Now I'm right next to my house. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in right there. I'm gonna turn off my lights. Here is the area I'm testing. You see, it is very dark. 3, 2, 1. Almost everywhere is very bright. You can work anything you want right there. I'm gonna put my phone right there and turn it off and on, and you can see the difference. Well, with this is awesome. I can definitely suggest this product just because it is very bright. As you can see, whenever you're working at night, you can use this LED, and you have additional plug right there. Here's the bottom part. I'm in my backyard and I'm gonna turn it on and try to show it to you. Right now I cannot see anything. Well, with the light right here, we're gonna see everything. Let's see. Since the cable is 16 feet, you can take it almost anywhere. You can also hang it wherever you want. I can see almost everything. If you're working on your car in the garage, basically I can just put it right there at the top and turn it on. Now you can see, I can see almost everywhere. Let me put my phone somewhere, turn it off and on. Let's see. For example, you're working on your door, but I'm not able to see anything. What I need to do is, I'm just going to go ahead and come over here and turn it on. Now I can see everything. Go ahead and continue working. Example, I want to work right over here, but I'm not able to see anything. See, I need a strong light. That one is the strongest. Now I can see everything. I can also work here, there, everywhere. That's why I can definitely suggest this product. But this one, 10 more times brighter than that. I have the powerful LED lights over there. When I turn this off, it's like nighttime. And when I turn this on, you see, it is very powerful.